$13,068.17, $6,290.94, and $2,478.97. And this is the amount people are making on TikTok's creativity program. And in this video, we'll be showing you guys how you guys can create the easiest videos, guys, in less than 2 minutes. And these are the easiest videos, guys. Not many people are posting them on TikTok, so you guys can definitely take advantage of that. And these videos are getting thousands and millions of views. And these videos are a minute long, which means that the person creating them are actually making money on TikTok. There are also similar types of videos like this, Your Age in 2035. Once you make your videos 1 minute long and you get into the creativity program, you'll be able to make money on TikTok. And these videos tend to go viral, guys, because a lot of people are commenting on these. First, we're going to go on Canva and then type TikTok video. This is the template that we're going to use for our video. Then we're going to click on the video section and then type a nature. Then we're going to filter it and click on vertical. And here are our videos. You guys can choose any video that you want, whether it's free or the paid version on Canva. Once you choose your video, you're going to just drag it to fit the template. And since we want our video to be 1 minute long, we're going to just duplicate the clips until it's 1 minute long. Then we're going to click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner and click download. And now we have our video. Next we need to do our text. Next, go on ChatGPT and copy the following prompt. And it says, write the age for different years in 2035 similar to the following with different emojis. And if you want more of these, just tell ChatGPT to write more. Now you need to copy and paste all of the text on the video. Then add your sound and then you're ready to post. Remember to be consistent with your videos and keep posting. And all it takes is that one viral video to make thousands of dollars each month. And if you want to know how to create luxury style car videos without having a car for free to make thousands of dollars each month on TikTok and YouTube, make sure you watch the video in the description box below. And thanks for watching!